Sorting material, class 6, chapter 4, concept map. Now children, chapter is materials, sorting materials. Materials are classified for making it convenient to study their properties. By classification, we can study their properties very easily. Now the classification, this is based on the properties. The properties are, we are starting from the right hand side, solubility. Solubility. According to solubility, materials can be categorized into two groups, soluble and insoluble. Soluble in water and insoluble in water. Soluble material example sugar. Insoluble material example oil. Oil and sand. Second property is texture. Texture. According to texture, materials can be grouped as rough and smooth. Rough example rock, smooth example gemstone. Now the next property is luster. According to luster, materials categorize into two groups, lustrous and non-lustrous. Example of lustrous are object made up of stainless steel or any metal. So they are lustrous. Lustrous. Non-lustrous example made up of plastic or wood. So they are non-lustrous. The next property is hardness. According to hardness, material grouped into soft and hard. Soft material example cotton, silk. Hard material example iron, wood, etc. Now the next property is transparency. According to transparency, materials can be classified into three groups: transparent, translucent, and opaque. Transparent example plain glass, translucent example tracing paper, and opaque example is wood. Now, materials can also be classified on the basis of attraction towards magnet or magnetic property. So they are categorized into two groups, magnetic and non-magnetic. Magnetic are iron, nickel, non-magnetic rubber, plastic. Now conductivity. So this is conduct electricity and conduct heat. Conduct electricity metals like iron, conduct heat, these are also metal like copper. Conductivity, so this is into two groups, conduct heat and conduct electricity. Now materials can also be classified on the basis of flotation. Flotation into two groups, float and sink. Floating materials example dry wood, leaf, feather, etc. Sink material example stone or any other material whose density is more than water.